What are you doing, Kiwis? What are you doing? You trying to escape? You can look out there. You just can't go out there right now. Oh no! What are you doing? You pretty bird? Are you pretty bird? Say. You walked all the way from down there to right here without the ladder. She has a ladder, but she won't use it. She'll just use it to go down. Like, she'll get here, and then she'll go down, and then walk to here. Isn't that right, pretty princess? You're a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird. What are you doing? You can't escape. You're stuck. I'll let you out in a few, okay? Oh, okay. Oh, no, we can't break that. We can't break that, silly. What do you see? Oh, you see a shirt? We don't need that shirt. We're gonna move that shirt. What do you see? I'll let you out in a minute, okay? I'm not done cleaning. Look how sweet she is. She's played the pity card. Look at her. She's just too cute. I'm ready for someone to walk by and see her. Yeah, you're just too cute, aren't you? Is no one seeing you yet? You're waiting for Mimi, aren't you? You waiting for Mimi? You saw Mimi this morning already, sweet girl. Say. Oh, you got scared? You're too cute. You know that? Look how cute you are. You're just too cute. You're the cutest bird alive. You give him kisses? Give him kisses. Good girl. Good girl. You give kisses. Where are you going now? Oh, ran. Oh, she's using the ladder now. That's a good Kiwi. That's a good girl. You gonna tell him bye? Can you say bye? Say bye. Give him kisses.